welcome.
Hi guys, here we are at the Marwell Hotel at the Marwell Zoological Park down by Winchester. We're staying here one night before we go on our cruise with MSC tomorrow. So here we are in the main room. You got a nice double bed there. Wardrobe with nowhere to hang.
Nowhere to hang your stuff.
Okay.
That's okay, but...
Got some drawers down there.
Yeah, just drawers.
Same again this side.
Chairs.
Bit of settee chair thing there. A couple of chairs just there. TV. Tea, coffee making fan. We've got another wardrobe over this side, so I'm guessing, yeah, you got ironing board, 3 hangers there. Extra blanket, not that we'll be needing it because it's like 30 degrees outside at the minute. Hairdryer there as well. No, hairdryer's not working.
It's older than me.
Yeah. And you got the bathroom here. Lots of towels there. Over the bath, shower. You got your shampoo there. And that is our review of the Marwell Hotel. That's our room.
Little balcony, but it goes...
406. Yeah, there is a little balcony, but you do share it. It's more like the fire escape rather than a balcony.
Nice to have a coffee on the evening.
Yeah, there's people all around.
And it looks like they feed the cats there.
And the zoo is off in that general direction there. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.